Mama Vape with Best Family TV. Today we're having stewed chicken with red beans and rice and some vegetables, which are Brussels sprouts and some broccoli. And then also we're gonna have Courtney do her volcano noodles. So I'm looking forward to that part because I've never seen the volcano noodles. I think they're going to be pretty hot.
So I guess y'all will see a face reveal today. Unless you see my profile picture, I don't know.
I don't think my profile picture is up yet.
Yeah, we've been busy all week.
It's going to be a busy week coming. So we might not be back until, I don't know, I might post something. I don't know.
What are we doing Friday? I know I gotta work that night, but that's it.
We can probably do one late Friday. Something simple. It probably won't last that long. It'd be nice if we can get it in for an hour. But I think 30 minutes would be good. But we'll see. Oh, I shouldn't show y'all this. This is the Brussels sprouts.
There you go.
We went to Aldi's today.
What was it, Freshire? Something.
Yeah, Freshire Farms.
Yeah, you can't really see it, but because it's like a. Yeah. There you go. Go down. There you go.
Brussels sprouts. And then we have broccoli. Two of those big old things of broccoli. These are the broccolis. I'm washing them off.
Fat trees.
And then I'm gonna cut them from the stump. The stem or whatever you want to call it. But I have them sitting in water, so trying to get whatever bugs out. And the least amount of water that's in it makes it roast better. Because I'm going to roast them in the oven. Start it off on top of the stove and then roast it. So, I'm hoping you guys had a wonderful week.
Trying to fix it to where they can see everything.
I got me a little snack going.
Back up. There you go.
This is basil with tomato. This is the black striped tomato from my garden. And this is the regular one. These are good with just lemon, salt, and pepper. And these are just good, period. With the basil. And I have some mozzarella. I'm going to slice these up. Some of those. With some balsamic vinegar.
Oh, he got a page now? Papa Vape. He in here.
And this is the glaze. Balsamic glaze. So that's going to be like a little snack for me.
We're not supposed to show our face. They just see in the stove.
Once we get something to have it mounted and all that, we can do that. They can see the face.
We'll probably have like a double screen like Vape does.
So welcome, Papa Vape. All right. Right now I'm warming up some oil. I'm going to add some sugar.
So what we gonna do if we have another Auntie Vape in here?
It should be.
No, I'm saying, like, what if they decide to make one? Then what?
They can't.
Auntie Bake 2. Auntie Bake 3.
Or something like that. Let me turn this off for a minute. I wanted to put some chicken breast in there as well. I already have the wings cut.
They're the wings with the tips on it.
Yeah. I cleaned them already.
Hi, Ash Pash. Ash Pash is in here.
Hi, Ash Pash.
I said, what are we making?
Today we're having stewed chicken with red beans and rice, broccoli roasted, and some Brussels sprouts. How was your week? Did she hear me? Oh, and I also have breast that I want to boil just for some chicken salad.
Oh, we ain't had that in forever.
So that'll be a probably some of my lunch for tomorrow. So we're doing roasted chicken. I mean stewed chicken with wings and chicken breast. The chicken breast is cut up, and the broccoli with the Brussels sprouts.
Sister Vape doesn't like Brussels sprouts.
They're still good, whether you like it or not. She just won't try it.
I tried it. I don't like
She
it.
tried again. I think she would like it and enjoy it.
And Ash Pash said, I'm on the way. Save me a plate.
All right. What's her name again?
Ash Pash.
Hashtag
Hash Pash. Ash Pash.
Hashtag.
Pash.
Papa Vape is on there. Let's welcome him to the screen. That's my husband. Give him a shout out.
Look, we gotta find out how to do all of that. We don't have all the extra buttons.
It's the same as the other one. Alright. I'm going to boil the rest of the chicken. Let me go ahead and put that on. Let's move this. Okay, I have oil in the pan.
Vegetable oil.
I'm gonna let that get hot, and then I'm gonna add some sugar. Hashtag, you're gonna see
Ash Pash.
Ash Pash. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
It's because the water was running. She couldn't hear.
We're gonna see Sister Vape do the volcano noodles today. I'm thinking she's gonna do it in between while everything is in the oven and cooking on top of the stove.
I think I should do it at the very end because if it's too hot, I'm gonna need to leave and get off the camera. And Big Chungus is back.
Welcome. This is sugar I'm putting in the oil.
Regular old granulated sugar.
Trying to let it turn brown. And then I will add the chicken.
She's putting the spice in the chicken. Her homemade seasoning.
The good stuff.
Papa Vape said, how much sugar?
I put like 3 of those big tablespoons. These are more like the serving spoons, the tablespoons. You see it?
Mm-hmm.
And as it browns, it's going to get darker and darker, which will be good for the chicken to start having that coating on it. I don't know if they can see that.
Mm-hmm.
Can y'all see it's turning darker? It's starting to smoke more. I'm going to turn the flame off because it's still getting darker.
And Ash Pash said, where do you get your spices? Like, where do we get them to buy?
I get everything from the market, but I put my own together.
No, like your spices.
Oh, she will post it on YouTube and on this page. Well, she can post it on there. And I will have you put your address and everything.
Can we just send them to the Instagram for now?
Yeah.
Our family page. Yeah. I think it's on her in her bio on here. It should be a clickable link. You can go to our Instagram. It's either hers or the family channel's Instagram. So you can just DM us there, and then she'll go from there.
I turned the stove back on. You can see that the chicken is getting some coating to it. To me, it just looks better with the darker coating, but it still tastes the same even if you don't have the coating.
I think this is better with the cut up pieces of what do you use?
Chicken breast?
No, you used to use leg quarters, I think.
Oh,
something.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I used to cut the leg quarters up into pieces, but the bones you have to be careful for.
Yeah, she got those heavy duty scissors to cut through the bones.
Yeah. You know those kitchen shears that comes with that block with the knives and all that stuff? Those are really not that good. They don't have a good pair in there. So when I went to culinary school, they gave us a pair in our kit. And I love those, and you can separate them, pull them apart to clean them. And I have another pair that's KitchenAid, which is pretty good, but it's not as good as the one I got from school. I think the one I got from school is Mercer, called Mercer, the brand is.
Miss Chef Baby's back.
Welcome back, Chef Baby.
She said, good afternoon. Ooh, I see wings. I'm excited. What are we cooking tonight?
Stewed chicken with red beans and rice. I also have broccoli and Brussels sprouts that I'm going to roast.
And she said she used the same knives, still to this day.
The Mercer, that was the best. Oh, I'm putting on chicken breast for making a chicken salad. This is going to be my lunch. Just added some salt so it can cook in it. Hey chef, make sure you stick around for the volcano noodles that Courtney's gonna eat.
AKA Sister Bake. I just haven't changed my name. I don't think I will, to be honest. Papa Vape said it smells and looks good.
Okay. Thank you.
And then Miss Chef Baby said, yes, they are. I keep them clean, sharp, and always ready to go.
That's right. I gotta sharpen my knife.
And then Ash Patch said, I need some smell-o-vision, please.